What does life after career path look like as far as like community and relationship with you guys?
Number one, you submit a deal, I'm going to look hard at it because I know we had all these conversations. I know that we talked about in-depth pricing and all those things. Other people, especially people who are not members, because they submit deals to me, those are rarely good deals. They really are. Like, I don't know where these people find them, but I just had one the other day. It was like, we should all buy this for 3 million because we could sell it for 4 million. I'm like, who are you? And did you just find this trolling the MLS? It's because that's exactly what it looked like. And there's no way I was going to get into that. So, and they're not a member. They just, it was someone looking for funding, just someone looking for money. And actually, I think it was a wholesale thing. They didn't even want to buy it. They just wanted to, they had it under contract for 3 million. They want me to buy it for 4 million. And they're selling it to me like they're a broker or something. I'm like, that's not at all what I do. You clearly don't know me. So after career path number one, I want to do your deals. And the former, we were talking about it last week, career path members, like we have several that are like, I don't even think about it. I'm like, what else you got? What else you got? Kind of thing. We don't talk. And then as far as community, we have a separate thread for you within Discord that you're in there now. And I hope and encourage you to partner up and fund each other and maybe come up with some great thing that we could all pitch in on. That's my goals.
This career path group is very active in that Discord channel, Jill. The other thing that we're bringing back, and we're going to bring it back really hard because a lot of people have asked for it, is the advanced group. And so once a month, we all meet in a forum just like this and talk about what our biggest challenges are. And so we stopped it for a while because the attendance was so down. Here's the reality of it. The attendance, this is what happened with the live events too. I mean, it's just like graduating from college. It's like everybody just goes off and does what they're going to do. So there's lots of variance in success, but it's the vast majority of people that get out of career path. We just never, think about the people in the last career path. I have not seen their names or heard from them at all, Jill, with very, very few exceptions.
Except for deals.
Which
is by design. That means you don't need us, which is good.
That's what I think.
Like, we got it now. Thanks. See ya.
Mm-hmm.
I'll call you when I need some money.
So Aaron, are you kind of looking for like a support group or accountability group of us to continue on after this is completed?
Yeah, I consider myself a pretty big introvert, but I do like talking to people and bouncing things off other people. So yeah, for sure.
Introverts rule.
I would heavily encourage you to do that. Right, there's a audio and a video function on Discord, and keep it in your own channel. And and meet every Monday night or whatever works for you guys, even on the weekends. There were some people that had multiple people took it upon themselves in Discord since we started it, to do accountability groups where we were not involved at all. It was just Land Academy members got together themselves.